taking shower. So it's very happy when you swim water for all around time like all the swim pools. Ladies, remember do not take shower for too long, okay? Or we'll get those swim pools like you. Oh, and in front of us was the elephant mother. She was waiting for us. Oh, he's coming over the water. Oh, yeah, no. Wow, he's welcoming us with his trunk. Oh, yeah, we don't want to give it. Wow, yeah. Wow, that was so close. Luckily, he misses. Let's see if you're going to give him a second chance. Look at him, he's so checky. We're here for the next shot. Let's go. Oh, no, he's coming again. No, just kidding. 講啦，笑啫。個小雪向 lost 幣咯，我哋好似蕩失路添喎。準備咗好貨袋嗰入面咯，應該好耐冇人嚟過呢度啦。有度好大支啫，跳過身咧手都係握手好啦，俾一隻豬隻8隻手，到時跟住我哋咁樣。我嚟呢邊到兩隻白鳥，最想跳出嚟嗰個上面咧。咦，咁就有個頭都飛過喎。原來嗰日毒嘢我點解對住我呢度啊？佢低咗，大家擒到上嚟啊！跟住前面咧係一個大將神啊，或者手不神點喎，仲有佢哋條眼鏡蛇手位。大將神有呢個智慧之神，不過其實就唔係史頭出得啦。佢哋學入面最惡最惡毒嘅生物嚟㗎，我哋全部俾你捉到。我睇唔使擔心，你睇到知道嚟，我都知道嚟。所以今日冇戴眼鏡啦，我哋就安全離開度繼續前進。看來這個眼鏡上沒有看到我們，應該是今天沒有戴眼鏡啊。那我就安全離開這裡繼續前進。哇，前面是個鱷魚，它那邊好多鱷魚，我們這會不會衝上來咬我們呢？我看起來他們都沒有什麼興趣啊，可能是剛吃過 high tea 的在這邊吃完就睡了，好懶在睡覺曬太陽剛才睡得好天了，我一左手邊在打呼要不就不打擾他們安靜的過去就好了。不過記得小心你們的手機我手機掉下去，他們可能當成午餐都吃掉了如果真的話，那就全部回來了。那前面有個營地，你們懂了嗎？前面怎麼有一對大猩猩在那邊開 party？ 哇，你們看到在那邊玩得很開心，有這個睡得吊床的應該是猩猩的老大一個會幫忙洗底褲的，底褲蠻可愛。可以拿着手槍的有仔猩猩不過他應該不會用吧？要這個頭會用的哇，還有啥事？我們現在扎頭，趕緊先衝過去。哇，還有他剛才他真沒有射中那個照頭比我們好近不然我們可以游泳回去的。那今天在going up this shot, he wanted to shoot the barrel, but don't be now safe. During the effect gun fails, there are thousands of animals I see was in jail. Oh, so lovely. By the way, do you know how to distinguish male zebra and female zebra? Male zebra is black with white strip, and female zebra is white with black strip. Let's see what you get it. Alright, how about this one? This one was just a demonstrate anyone that jumped out. African elephant. Oh, look at him, he's so giant, isn't he? How much will behind us? Wow, must be almost 3 his wife. Let's see what quickly doing smashes. Let's go. Just get him out. It seems there's something under the water. What's that? The hippo. So open the stand coming off of the water. Be careful there, there's some fighters. So they're not going to attack us. This is side under the water. What's this one? Is this slipping? Wow, it's coming seems not. But did you smell the bad breath? So disgusting. Seems like heaven brush your teeth for so long. Remember brush your teeth every day, okay? But don't let them vegetarian, so they're not going to attack us. But some people will be those people.
What's the man doing?
點知咩西遊推住咁嘅聽係得係咪你睇落聲，所以喺度笑到收唔到聲添。好啦，咁你事就冇啦，我哋唔救佢哋啦，我哋祝佢哋好運咯喎，希望佢哋之後嘅朋友翻嚟接翻佢哋走，因為佢哋全部垂咗你啦。對啊，但係前面好多貨，我睇到獵頭捉嘅獵頭，我哋嚟錯地方但係嚟到呢度都冇得後退我哋繼續向前先翻到去。大家記得我入到呢度前唔好出聲，唔好咁煩我知唔知我知道這裡不要發出很聲，要不然我發兇我了。因為 any noises don't let them look this way，OK？ 我哋會 attack us。到呢度好多貨，嗰頭都可能曾經嚟過呢度嘅探表家嚟㗎。直情俾我啦！食隻雞，你睇我唔到，我俾佢飛咗，你會走避開哇！危險啊！真係俾佢發現咗添，哇！走得跑世界，大家冇事有冇中標？冇事最緊要有冇事先做到世界冠軍大家沒有事沒有中標了。如果中了標呢，記得拔出來掉在水裡面去。當中沒有來過這裡不用當成紀念品帶走。那好了，我們就這裡全部都到尾聲了所以說快樂的時光過總是特別快我很快就準備要回到碼頭裡面去了。哇！前面這裡有點小水泡不應該不影響我們的我們就這樣直衝過去應該沒事吧？哇！發了水了，走人了！走！ 哇，还好那机没有过去，哇，不了，我们可以回去啊，把新衣服穿了。啊，不管在什么地方节目里面的，有关前面奥帅打着包出去，哇了，这是红山水枪手的地方，我们来说基地，哇，我赶紧先后退出去。为什么是导演他？我不好，我是3期了，我把我变成跑了，哇，后面有水王被困在这里了呀，怎么办？我的妈的火焰来猛了，哇，前面的光芒救火，一起帮我吹。我是前面的火山，我们这里来了。我要火灭了！我是谁？是什么火灭了？我赶紧趁现在冲出去，果然都在这里了，赶快走！
We should get out of here.
Yeah.
That was fun.
I
哦，
know.
好惊险哦！要我们出来了，we made it！哇，大家没有事吧 ？Everybody OK？ Almost became barbecue talk. Wow, the tacos really meant to end the station. Don't worry, the water put on the fire. It saved us. And here is the way back home. What's it for you to do
coming up there.
Sometimes missing is truck. If you see something experience, be careful. 哦。好了，我哋今日準備翻啦，第一個開始啦，你撳保持左線，咁記得手唔好放喺船嘅側邊啊。那麼現在準備回去，我的手我們把車做好啊，那記得手不要放在船的側邊了，好，手就不要放在船的側邊了，謝謝啊。手拿尾，還得得到 ，Let's go，hand上地上頭，都不要 echo 我的 pose 啊 ，Thank you。好了，小姐，不好意思啊，小姐啊，手不要放在船的側邊啊，手要先稍微拉一下啊，手再不要放在船的側邊了，謝謝。Don't worry 啊，已經睇得對嘅啊 ，OK。好，我哋翻去啦，同大家講聲拜拜啦。你食個波就呢度 elephant 拜拜。
Bye.
哇！咁啱啱嗰旅程真係非常之驚險啦，多謝希望你出去今次嘅旅程啦。如果中意嘅話，記得呢度係新浪網絡之類，我名叫做 Steven 啊。希望你會喜歡這一趟旅程，我喜歡的話，記得這裡是順利去到這裡，我的名字叫做 Steven。啊，都可以 enjoy this journey. You feel like you miss remember my name is Steven. You're in the jungle with focus。我真係跟住保持咗先啊，繼續保持做好我哋船面設定 Thank you。有少少時間，我哋好快轉先，爭咗一段時間，我坐低下啊，就上冇冇從呢度 stop 啊，多謝 Thank you。好啦，船已經定好啦，我上邊 stop 啦。